let's give him a little more space here. Okay, you're good to go.
Alright, this is how I want to learn the truck.
Yeah, no, sure.
So lift off here and then throttle, take the right,
Stay on the outside,
left,
yep.
and then
Yep.
throttle here.
Yep, outside.
Outside, then throttle to this.
Breathe.
Okay.
You're coming in too hot.
There you go.
Yep. Brake, off.
Alright.
There you go. Yep. Wind it around. Yep. This is tighter than it feels. Yep. Boom. Stay on the right hand side. Coming left. Carry that speed, Alex. Carry it. I didn't say add to
my
it.
bad.
Right. Be listening. Yep. Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Outside. Yep. You can roll a little more power through here. Yep. Add. Yep. Come through. Nice. That's perfect line. Outside. Just breathe it. Now turn it. Too hot.
Brake, you said brake right
Yep,
here?
yep.
Okay, I just remembered this one is the braking spot.
Yep. Okay, this tightens up and then you're going to come straight in. Nice. Alex, that was well done, man.
Thank you, I'm sorry for the con.
No, there's, thankfully, as I